How to delete Twitter account permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In this video I'll show you how you can delete your Twitter account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete your Twitter account, just go ahead and then tap on the profile picture from the top left from your Twitter profile. Then what you want to do is come down to settings and support and then go to settings and privacy. Then you want to go to the option called your account, and then here you'll find the option called deactivate account. Now you might be asking me, this is the option to deactivate my account and not delete. Well, you don't know that Twitter actually tells you that if you deactivate your account for 30 days and you do not reactivate it again for the next 30 days, your account will be successfully deleted after that. Though they might not give you the option right within the application, they also mention it over here that you can restore your Twitter account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated for up to 30 days after deactivation. That means that they are telling us after 30 days it is going to be permanently deleted and you will not be able to regain access to it. So just tap on the deactivate option, confirm with your password, tap on the deactivate from the bottom right, and if you don't log in after 30 days it will be successfully deleted. And that's all it takes to delete your Twitter account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.